All right, how to replace the speakers, the rear speakers in the 97 Avalon, first generation. Tools you're gonna need the paint mixer, a long Phillips head screwdriver, you're gonna need a zip tie, optional, and you're gonna need one of these Torx bits. I don't know which one this is. Let's see. I really have no idea, but you're gonna need a Torx set. I got a Torx set on eBay for like $5. Maybe it went up in these times, but they also sell these at Harbor Freight. So get you a little Torx set, and you're going to need the speaker you're going to replace. So to get this door card off the door, you're going to push in this little pin. You see that? You're going to push that in, and then you're going to pull this out. You're going to do that on the other side. Then you're going to come down here. There's 2 screws down here. Okay, there's 2 screws down there. You're going to pop these out. Use the paint mixer, or I can get them with my hand. So, and then there's 2 Phillips screws. Get those. Get the other one of these, and then this, you don't have to take out the window control module. You can just put your hand back there and unclip it. I know some people show that they take this whole thing out, but these things break really easily, so I wouldn't even deal with it. I would just clip it out, and then you lift up. Wait, and then you take this off. Though for me, this is already broken. If I can get that with my hand. I probably need 2 hands, but yeah, you take that off with the paint mixer. Kind of just get back here. Until you can get it off. And then you lift up on the door, and the whole door will come off. Support it by the handle so you don't drop it. But lift up, and this whole panel will come off. As I said before, you have to be careful with these pieces. They are old brittle plastic, and this is just terrible design from Toyota. These things just break. These clips just break. This stuff is just no good, man. I think maybe in the future I may get into 3D printing and trying to recreate some of these parts, because this is just no good. All right, now I can lift up. This will come off, but like I said, you need to unclip this. So let me show you. I can already see the speakers falling apart. That's how old they are. You see? Come in there. Just gotta unclip that. All right, now we're inside the door. You're gonna get your Torx bit, and you just want to take the old speaker out, right? And to note, this thing is like custom made for Toyota, so these speakers, you're not gonna find any speakers exactly the same size, so don't worry about that. I'm gonna show you what to do about that, but you don't have to take this whole thing off unless you're gonna grind, like get in there with a Dremel and make a new hole. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna show you what I did on the other side as soon as I get this speaker out. All right, and you can't mess this up. There's a short side, a long side. You really can't mess it up. It's plug and play with the other speaker. All right, when you're done taking these off, and the short one, it might fight you, just warning. But once you're done taking those off, then you want to go ahead and get your speaker. These are the ones that I purchased. Can't get it in focus. Those are the ones that I purchased. You want to go ahead and put them on. Now on mine, the short side kind of fought me, so I had to just go ahead and use some pliers to get it back on there. But you kind of just line it up. It's not going to go in the hole perfectly. And you secure it with the Torx, and then show you what I did. All right, and it's on there, but the thing is, as you see, the holes don't line up perfectly, so you just kind of want to just secure one, and that's when the zip tie comes into play. You just want to zip tie the speaker to this you know, batch of wires. Just want to get it down in there, and that should be good enough. That's not moving at all, man. Once you put the other panel back on, that's not going to move. It's not going to rattle. If you're worried about it rattling, you can always glue some foam right there, but I'm not going to do that because it's not going to move. So now you just reassemble, and you're pretty much done.